Hello and welcome to Costa Car Trader. Now when you think of Spain you probably think of blue skies, sun, golden beaches, but guess what? This is Spain as well. So I'm on top of a mountain called Calar de la Santa, and it's about 50 kilometers from Murcia. And look at it, it's fantastic. So I've come further up the mountain to a little town called El Sabinar, and this town has a population of just a couple of hundred, and yesterday it snowed, so all this is fresh snow. So, it's currently 1 degree, absolutely freezing my ass off. I'm knee-high in snow, but this view is worth it, just look at it. And it's also bringing out so many people to come and play.
Oh, there's no fight.
I'm getting too old for this shit. That's me signing out from snowy Spain. See you in the next video.